Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the Vevor 2-liter slushy machine, which you can find directly on Vevor's website. We wanted to see if this small machine can really make ice-free slushies at home or if it's just another gimmick. When we tested it, we found that it works surprisingly well for a compact device. The 2-liter capacity isn't huge, but for a couple of people, it's just enough. The motor runs consistently and doesn't overheat after several uses. The texture of the slush comes out smooth, not chunky, which impressed us. Another plus is how easy it is to clean. The detachable parts save us a lot of hassle. But it's not perfect. The 2-liter size means it's not for parties or big gatherings. It's also a bit noisy, so don't expect a quiet kitchen experience. Finally, the price is reasonable, but it's still higher than some budget alternatives, so we'd say you're paying for reliability. Overall, we'd say the Vevor 2-liter slushy machine is worth it if you want convenience and decent results for small batches. If you need large-scale slushies, you may want to look for a bigger unit. This has been How to Dirty, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.